Hi, I'm Maria with Wellness Lifestyle Couple. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making mint chocolate chip ice cream. Now this is a new flavor. I have not done this one before, but it is my daughter's favorite ice cream flavor. And she is coming over for lunch tomorrow with my son-in-law, and I'm super excited to have them home to visit. Now the difference with this flavor that I'm making today is that I'm going to be using real sugar and real chocolate chips, as opposed to allulose for the sweetener and zero sugar chocolate chips. And the reason for this is not everybody is on the lifestyle that Life and I are on. So I want to accommodate my family who prefers to have real ice cream. Even though my keto version is real as well, I just want to, be respectful of other people, that not everybody's on the same lifestyle that we're on. And that is totally okay. As long as we're using good ingredients, organic where available. I will be using the same ingredients that I use for my base. So it's half and half, heavy cream, vodka, salt, vanilla, and then for the mint chocolate chip ice cream, we're going to be using peppermint extract, and we're also going to be using the chocolate chips. It is so easy to buy ice cream at the store. A lot of them have high fructose corn syrup, emulsifiers, and gums. Our homemade ice cream does not have any of that. So if you look at good, better, best, yes, our best version is of course going to be the low carb and low sugar ice cream with allulose and ingredients that do not spike our insulin. But a better option, or a best option, would be making a sugar version, but with healthy ingredients. So let's get started. I'll be sure to link the recipe in the description below, but we're going to get started with the main star, organic heavy whipping cream. Then we'll add another cup and a half of half and half. We'll add 2 tablespoons of vodka. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're also going to add 1.5 teaspoons of this peppermint extract. Since I've never made this before, I will taste it to adjust the flavor just to make sure that it has the right amount of peppermint. I'm not a fan of adding colors to food. I don't have any to begin with, but you can add food coloring if there's a healthy version of food coloring that is green. I know a lot of times when you go to ice cream shops, the mint chocolate chip ice cream is green. This one is not going to be. I'm adding 1 cup of organic sugar, and I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. We'll whisk this around, and then we'll adjust the flavor. Making homemade ice cream really is very easy. I was actually surprised the first time that I made it that it did not really take as much time as you think. Now there are some flavors that require a little bit of extra work, but most of them are actually very easy. All right, let's test that out. That's actually really good. Nice and minty. I think we're good. All right, so what we're gonna do next is put it in the ice cream maker. All right, so we have the final product. Let's give it a taste. Oh, that's really good. Very minty. I think my daughter's going to love it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you like this type of content and would like to see additional recipes that are healthy and other wellness content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.